Hi everyone, welcome back to 5+1 Musketeers. Today I am gonna show you my gift from my dad for a school project. So its name is Kit for Curious. All the things in this are responsible for electricity. So let's open and see what are inside it. A user guide. If you buy this and to make a circuit, you may go through this user guide. There are different types of circuits as well to make it. If we go to their website, there will be videos of these all. Here we are having a motor. So this motor is mainly used for the fans. These are the switch. The on and off switch we learned. We know that this on and off switch is used for the fan and the light. This light switch, push-pull switch and the on and off switch that we learned. Wow! Nice fans! These are just like the cartoon fans I've seen in a show. And this is a ceiling fan. Colorful LEDs. We sometimes use it to make a circuit, small circuits while showing. The buzzer. These resistors control the electricity that is going to the LED because LED can take only this much of electricity, but and the electric cell has this much, so it controls and tells the electricity to go this much to the LED. Nails and magnets. So you see, magnets can only attract three metals. They are cobalt, nickel and iron. Wires. Black wire, red wire, white wire. This black wire is the for negative and this red wire is for positive. These are known as cell holders. They hold the two cells. You have to hear a fun fact about the 90 battery. This is not negative and this is not positive. Both negative and positive are in this. This rounder one is the positive. This rounder one is positive and this one is negative. This kit of mine has taught us many things, right? Bye bye. See you next time. Thanks for watching.